Okay, next one up, rolled Enfield 650 Interceptor. This is a new client. He's going to go with a full works package on this, which will include a 2-stage machine polish on all the bodywork plus the Ultimaxx ceramic. It's got a few marks on it. See if we can get some depth back into that black. More than anything, see if we can do something with these engine cases. These Enfields, not the best quality metal, so they fur up quite quickly. We'll have to lightly sand those down and then polish them. We'll get these wheels all minted up. Luckily they put stainless spokes on these, so there's no rust on the spokes, which is a bonus, but we'll get all these wheels, all these discs all cleaned up. His cover is stuck to the exhaust. Unfortunately it is chrome and not stainless, so I will be able to remove that, but it will scratch the chrome up, but we will do the best we can. I said, these engine cases, that's what takes the time. Get those polished up. We use white diamond metal polish, which does leave a bit of a protective coating on, but once we get it all down, we'll get some XCP corrosion protection on it. You can see the shock springs are starting to go rusty. Just a few fixings. Chain adjusters are corroded. Chain is looking very dry, so yeah, give me a couple hours. Let's work a little chop magic. Watch this space. Okay, next stage. She's been thoroughly washed, degreased, fully blow dried. We've XCP'd all your frame, all your switch gear, anything I think might corrode. Just remove the clutch cable. I'm going to take these top screws out, and we're going to crack on with some polishing. This is where the hard part comes in. Get the rocker cover, these engine covers done. Okay, all the metal work has all been polished, done the best I can on those engine cases, rocker cover, just as the bloody rain comes. We're going to do some polishing on this tank. This is going to get a 2-stage machine polish. See all those marks on there? Oh my goodness, not looking too good. So we're going to do a 2-stage machine polish on the tank and the side covers. Get those all prepped up and ready for a bit of Ultimaxx ceramic. Let's get cracking. Just done one run with the good old Cortec 3000. Look at this. Well, before, after, before, after. One run. Good old Diamond Cut 3000. All right, let's get the rest of this done. All right, first run is complete. We will finish that off with the Cortec 9000 shortly. Just going to do this windscreen. Look at that. Let's see if we can improve that somewhat. Looks like it's been cleaned with sandpaper. Check this out. One run with the Diamond Cut 3000. Check that out. What a difference. We'll get the rest of this polished up, and then we'll finish it off with the Final Cut 9000. Two-stage machine polish is now complete. We have prepped all this bodywork, and now I'm laying down the Ultimaxx Signature Pro, which is a 5-year ceramic. So this bike will be fully protected for the years ahead, and the gloss will be on point. We'll give that 5 minutes to set, and then we'll buff it all off. Managed to get all the scratches out of this windscreen. This has also been prepped and ceramicked. What a transformation. 3 hours and 30 minutes. This Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. Probably didn't look this good new from the factory. This has had one of our full works valets, which includes the Ultimaxx ceramic. So we've done a full degreased, decontaminated, polished, sealed. Managed to get a lot of that burnt on plastic off of there. There's still a bit. It was quite heavily melted on there, but I've just finished this tank. Look at the gloss on that. That's had a 2-stage machine polish. Good old Cartech knocking it out of the park. And then I've just sealed it with the Ultimaxx Signature Pro. The gloss is on point. All done, 3 hours, 30 minutes, Trot Full Works valet. Get yours booked in now. We're open 7 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. 07966 249 963.